So today's video, finally, I'm going to, upon request, I am going to show you guys how I did that Bumblebee inspired look. And it's real simple. It's not really hard. Like, honestly, truthfully, I just put that down. Honestly, truthfully, I didn't do much. So we're just gonna get into this tutorial. I was debating if I should include my eyebrow tutorial in this video, because I feel like this, since the look is so easy, it would have been like real short, so I would have time to incorporate that. But I feel like that needs to be its own look. So with that being said, I'm gonna go do my eyebrows off camera and come back and we're gonna get into this. Okay, so for this look, we are simply just gonna need 3 palettes, and I'm gonna use like the yellows in each of those because I don't really necessarily have a yellow that's really pigmented for me to use, so I had to use 3 different shades. I think it was 3 or 4 different shades to achieve the look that I was going for. So first things first, we're gonna start off with the lightest yellow and we're gonna blend that upwards. So going in with our Take Me Back to Brazil palette, we're going with this yellow shade right here. It's almost done. And we're gonna apply it to our lid. But what I did is a trick if you're not really one of those people that really care if your palettes get messed up. I take the bottom of my brush and go like so to like loosen up the eyeshadow, because that does help to apply more pigment onto your makeup. So why am I sitting like this? Let me get it together. So yeah, I'm gonna loosen up the pigment a little bit, and we're going to apply that up here. Oh, I just put my mirror off. Okay, I can't find my my mirror with the handle. The devil is busy. So going in with this brush, I'm just gonna pack it up here and just like blend it in upwards when I'm done. Alright, so now going in with this shade right here. This is the dandelion shade, like a dandelion shade. So I'm gonna do what I did to that and go like so. I'm gonna switch the brush. I just wanted to do that real quick. I don't really feel like I need to, but just to make sure it's not really like too much going on. So going on with this brush, I'm going to now apply that all over my lid. There, and then you don't want your lid to look all ew, so make sure you blend it upwards, like where the 2 colors, like I don't know if you can tell the difference, but you see how this is like a little darker than that one. You're just gonna blend it up like so. Moving on, like you know what, I feel like I could have included the eyebrow tutorial in this. I'm sorry y'all, but I got y'all. That's gonna be its own video. Like I said, my shirt cute, like it's trying to show something. Like stay down. And next we're gonna go in with this gold shade right here, and later we're not gonna do much except for just apply it like right here, and that's it. And now we finna move on to our face. I'm going to do Let me just get this all off. Just gonna okay, that's too much. Put that here. Okay, I don't know why we're climbing like this. We finna fight. Because we don't want to look crazy. Like, while we don't want to be out here looking like our makeup is not blended, do we know? Looking like a clown. Like, honey, we don't do those. We don't do those. Remember to any excess powder off of your brush. And we're just gonna start from like usually when I contour, I do like all, like I think I stop like right here. But since I'm doing something on like my cheeks for the look, I'm gonna stop my contour like literally like right here. Like it's just gonna be like a slight contour, cause we're going for like a certain look. Slight contour, so we're just gonna pat that like in the area. But also remember to blend it upwards. Okay, trick. Blend your contour upwards when you're doing it on your cheek. When you get to like here, like all along your hairline, you blend it into your hairline. You don't blend it into like your forehead, because let's be honest, your forehead's not that small. I never really met anyone whose forehead is like this big, but okay. If you think that's cute, don't do it, but I can't argue with you on it. If that's what you want to do, if you want to embarrass yourself like that, you could go ahead. But yeah, like I said, blend it into your hairline. Along when you get like here, and then when you are over here, you blend it upwards. And we're just gonna apply it above our contour. So right here. Going in with the concealer, I'm going to use the shade that I use above my brow. And we're gonna make like a square on this side of our face. So here's my mirror. So okay. So going in with our Take Me Back to Reserve palette, we're going to use two angle brushes with our black eyeshadow. We're just gonna do a quick one. I'm gonna start. And I did it in like, I didn't do like black, yellow, and no, it's too much work. So I did all my lines are black, and the rest of the areas I just filled that in with yellow. this. Can you see it? That little it's gonna be our beat. Go with the yellow first because we're gonna start with the yellow in the front. We're gonna just put some color in here. Just a quick, like, I personally did it. I went like so, like that, and then have that connect right here. It looks like a flower petal more than it looks like a wing, but I'm not that great. And then we're just gonna not fill it in, but you know, make it like a wing. Look at that. And we're done. Lashes, mascara, wig. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. That curly wig, I'm not putting it on. It's too much work to deal with right now. I'm tired. Y'all seen how I did this? I remembered that I did eyeliner the last time. Like I did a black wing and a gold on top of it. I didn't do that this time because I forgot. Like I was going through the pictures because I felt like I was missing something, and I already did my mascara and my lashes, and I was like, there's no going back. Like that's something you have to do before you do that. And everything else, yeah, spot on. I did it the same way I did it in the last video. She still look good. She's still cute. She's still the baddest bitch in the game. Cause honey, who's telling me what? Not a damn soul. And if you say that, obviously can't hear you because you're talking bare nonsense. Nah, I need to go somewhere. But this is the look. Like I said, I wasn't putting on that curly wig. It's real cute with the look. I'm gonna just show you guys the pictures I took the last time. But to install that wig, that would be doing the most. She's in timeout because she has no behavior. And I already struggled and put on like a couple of years ago. That's a wig I wear once in a blue moon because to install it and then style it is just too much, and I am lazy. So with that being said, I'm gonna take more pictures with this wig because this wig is really cute. What else? Yeah, I'm gonna take more pictures and I hope you guys like it. I think it came out really good this time, like the last time. It's still super cute. I will definitely, my next video, I promise, will be my eyebrow tutorial. I'll just do like an eyebrow tutorial and then like what's the word? I don't know, but I'm basically gonna a update on my everyday makeup look. So eyebrow tutorial and update on my everyday makeup look. And yeah, I think that's it. I think we's finished. Oh, if you guys want, I really want to see some of you guys recreate this look. You guys can send me pictures, tag me if you want. But yeah, because I want to see y'all put your skills to the test. If you guys do like a cute makeup look and something really colorful, please, I want to see it. Like, because why not? It's like times like this with all that's going on, I want you guys to like find something to do to make you happy, because it's really heartbreaking the amount of stuff that's going on, especially for people of color at this moment. And I don't even want to get into details because every time I talk about it, I get really emotional. I'm tearing up as we speak. And yeah, so I hope everyone's staying safe during this time and that we get through this. And once this is all over, we get to finally experience that freedom that America was so keen on saying that we all have. But and then that guy who, all those police officers and all those white supremacists serve their time and get whatever punishment they need to freaking get, because this is pissing me off. I'm getting emotional. I'm gone. Next video, promise, will be my updated eyebrows, my updated everyday makeup look plus an eyebrow tutorial. I got y'all. Let me go before the tears start flowing. Peace, y'all.